Here I've got Apple iPad Pro, and let me show you how to activate night shift on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick display and brightness, and here you'll notice night shift. Simply open it, and now you can either pick scheduled, so you can activate it here, and then select the period of time. So for example, let me pick 10, and the end hour would be 7. So let's go back. So from now on, every day between 10 and 7 next day, night shift will be activated, so you will have better sleep. And of course you can activate it manually over here. Simply click on this switcher. It will be then deactivated tomorrow, or you can obviously deactivate it anytime simply by tapping on this switcher. You can also personalize the temperature, the color intensity, so just click here and select the color that you like most, so just personalize it and adjust it to your preferences. So let me leave it this way, and as you can see, the whole device is in night shift. Obviously you can switch it off by tapping on this switcher, and if you would like to turn off the scheduled mode, also click here, and that's all. So that would be all. This how you can activate and use night shift in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.